Hello and welcome to the channel Other Tongues. In this video we will discuss the tone rules for a live syllable. This is part of a series of videos to help you learn Thai. You will find the link to the playlist in the description. In previous videos on this playlist, we discussed the tone rules for a syllable ending with a long vowel sound and the tone rules for a syllable having a sonorant final consonant. You may have noticed that both tone rules are identical. This is because both types of syllables are referred to as live syllables in Thai. A live syllable is a syllable that ends with a long vowel sound or has a sonorant final consonant. For example, ma, meaning to come, has one syllable that is a live syllable because it ends with a long vowel sara-a. Man, meaning it, also has one syllable which is a live syllable because it has a sonorant final consonant no nu. You can think of a live syllable as a syllable that can be extended or kept alive without distorting its sound. So theoretically, we can say ma or man. Doing the same with a dead syllable will distort its sound. We will discuss the dead syllables in an upcoming video. It is important to stress that the concept of live and dead syllables is only used when determining the tone of a syllable using tone rules. A syllable that has a tone mark is therefore not regarded as being a live or a dead syllable because the tone mark determines the tone, not the tone rules. We will look at the tone marks in an upcoming video. We can now compress the tone rules for a syllable ending with a long vowel sound and the tone rules for a syllable having a sonorant final consonant into the tone rules for a live syllable. A live syllable beginning with a localess consonant is in the middle tone. For example, ma, meaning to come, and man, meaning it. The single syllable in the word ma is a live syllable because it ends with a long vowel sara-a, while the single syllable in the word man is a live syllable because it has a sonorant final consonant no nu. Both syllables begin with a localess consonant ma and are therefore in the middle tone. Ma, man. A live syllable beginning with a middle-class consonant is also in the middle tone. For example, a, meaning father's younger brother or sister, and ban, meaning to blossom. The single syllable in the word a is a live syllable because it ends with a long vowel sara-a, while the single syllable in the word ban is a live syllable because it has a sonorant final consonant no nu. A begins with a middle-class consonant or ang, while ban begins with a middle-class consonant bo by mai. They are therefore in the middle tone. A, ban. A live syllable beginning with a high-class consonant is in the rising tone. For example, ka, meaning leg, and kan, meaning bowl. The single syllable in the word ka is a live syllable because it ends with a long vowel sara-a, while the single syllable in the word kan is a live syllable because it has a sonorant final consonant no nu. Both syllables begin with a high-class consonant ko kai and are therefore in the rising tone. Ka, kan. Those are the tone rules for a live syllable. We can summarize by stating that a live syllable is a syllable that ends with a long vowel sound or has a sonorant final consonant. For example, the single syllable in the word ma, meaning to come, ending with a long vowel sara-a, and the single syllable in the word man, meaning it, having a sonorant final consonant no nu. A live syllable is in the middle tone, except the syllable begins with a high-class consonant, in which case it is in the rising tone. For example, ma, meaning to come, and man, meaning it, each has one live syllable that begins with a low-class consonant ma and is therefore in the middle tone. A, meaning father's younger brother or sister, has one live syllable that begins with a middle-class consonant or ang, while ban, meaning to blossom, has one live syllable that begins with a middle class consonant bo by mai. They are therefore in the middle tone. Ka, meaning leg, and kan, meaning bowl, each has one live syllable that begins with a high class consonant called kai and is therefore in the rising tone. As we learn more consonants and vowels in upcoming videos, you will encounter more examples of this rule. I hope this video was helpful. References to resources are in the description. You can write your questions and comments in the comment section below. Until next time, it's goodbye.